Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Simply Kani. In this video, I'm going to be swatching a cute lipstick combo by Popexo, which is a collaboration with My Glam Cosmetics. This kit is called No Drama Mini Lip Kit. Before we get into the swatches, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and support me. Now let's get into it. So this product that I'm holding right here in my hand has got three lipsticks in the combo, and it's named Hype, Comfort Zone and Bliss. All these three shades are nude lipsticks, and nude lipsticks are my absolute favorite. So now let's get into the swatch. So I'm picking out the first lipstick. These are mini lipsticks, so the size is smaller compared to your regular lipsticks. The first one I'm picking is called Bliss. It is a very pinkish nude tone, which is simply lovely. It gives a nice plump look to my lips and makes it look all the more natural. This lipstick will go really amazing when you wear a heavy eye makeup, like a smoky makeup look. The next lipstick I have picked is called Comfort Zone. Again, another shade of nude lipstick. This is a brownish pink lipstick, but again, this is the most beautiful shade of nude lipstick that I have ever owned. I'm putting it on my lips right now. As you can see, it gives a brownish tint, at the same time keeps the lips looking blushed. Out of these three lipsticks, I must say that this is my favorite. And finally, the third shade of lipstick I'm picking out of this kit, it's called Hype, and it is a pinkish nude lipstick. I should say a little darker shade of pink, but still a nude shade. It's got a mauvish tint, I can say, and now I'm applying it on my lips. It's a very creamy lipstick. As you apply, you can see that it's very creamy, and once you have applied, it sets into a bit matteish and it stays on. So this shade of lipstick also looks really nice. Each one of these lipsticks comes with twist and turn, so when you twist it completely, it clicks into a lock position, so the lipstick does not move at all, and there is no wastages involved, so that is absolutely perfect. And all the three lipsticks in this kit are absolutely pigmented, creamy, and sets into a matte look, and they are gorgeous in the shades. This lip kit is absolute must have for all those people who do not like bright lipsticks but still want to wear lipsticks to make their lips look a little bit tinted and blushed. Be it for your work or be it to college, this is the best lip kit to have in your makeup bag. If you want to buy this product, the link is down in the description below. If you like this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do hit on that subscribe button and also that notification bell icon. Until the next time, bye bye and take care.